What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Kuromi. And I want to begin today's lesson in the center of the page at the top edge of the eyes. So let's leave a gap in the center, move over towards the left, draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Let's line the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up and out. Let's connect the ends with a half oval, coming down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. And then we want to fill the inside of the eyes. Let's add 2 curled lashes along the outside of each eye, starting on the top left, then it's out and up. Do the same thing on the right, and step down and draw that again. Now I'm going to line up at the bottom of the eyes, move to the center and draw a small oval for the nose, going all the way around and then up. Let's move down and add a curve, going down and up for the mouth. Now I'm going to go back up and draw that trim around the face. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a point. From this point we're going to angle this up and out toward the left, go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. And then from here, we're going to connect the ends with an oval going around the bottom of the chin and then back up. So we're going to start going around the eyes, come in towards the middle, go all the way around the outside on the right, and then bring that back in. Let's add that skull symbol in the center of the forehead. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line, go up on the sides. Now in between, we're going to add 2 more lines to separate the teeth. Let's go to the left side and draw a large oval, going all the way around towards the top, go down and then in. And then on the inside, we're going to draw 2 ovals for the eyes. Now with the face complete, let's draw the outside of the head. We're going to start on the left, let's draw a curve going up, and then we'll bend that down. Now I want to continue this curve down on the left side, going around the face. Now I'm just going to taper this in towards the bottom, towards the chin. Let's go all the way around the right side. Go out, going a little bit wider, come up, and then we'll bend that in. Now I'm going to place the ears on top of the head. Let's start with a gap in the center. On the left, draw a straight line going up, go to the right, and draw that same length line. Let's go all the way down towards the side of the head, angles up and then out. Now I'm going to pull this up and out towards the center point. Let's start with the bottom, going up and then out, pull this down and then in. Let's do the same thing over on the right, starting with the top, going up and out, and we'll come down towards the bottom. Let's add a circle on the tip of each ear. And then with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw in the collar. Let's start right in the middle, underneath the chin. Start with a point. Angle this down and out towards the sides. Angle this up and out, just underneath the head. Let's come down and out towards the outside of the collar. And we'll pull this back up and in underneath the head. Let's place a small circle on the tip of each point. Now on the outside of these 2 circles, we're going to curve the body, going out and then in. Let's leave a gap and draw another curve in the center, coming down and up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, angle the leg coming down and out toward the bottom. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. And we'll angle this back up and in underneath the body. Now going back up to the top, we're going to bend the arms going in towards the hip. Let's start underneath the collar, go around and then in. just towards the side of the body. And then step back out, curve the hand, going around and then up. And then finally, we're going to add the tail coming out on the left side. Let's start from the hip, come down and up around the hand. Step down, we're just going to taper this in toward the side. Let's add a pointed arrow on the end. Start with 2 straight lines going out. And then we'll pull this out towards the point. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Kuromi. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.